everybody, and welcome to room number 5608 here in the Aruba village of Caribbean Beach Resort. So this room is nice. It's located on the first floor because it is a corner unit. So we kind of get a double window over here. So right as you enter into your room, you have your table that seats two, and then you have double beds. So this room has two queen size beds. This room does not have a fifth sleeper, but the thing that's nice about it is you have two actual beds, not a pull down bed or a Murphy bed. So you have two actual beds. This room does accommodate 4 people. If you have an infant under the age of 3 years old, you can also add an infant to this room to accommodate 5. This room does have a connecting door to another room on the other side if you're traveling with a larger party. And right when you walk in to the right-hand side, they have this nice little shelf here that's great for keeping your magic bands, your keys, anything that you want to store up there, and also bag storage. So that's a great little touch that Disney has added into these rooms. Definitely appreciated. Again, you have your little coffee table here that seats 2. You have a little mini Cuisinart coffee maker stocked with tea and draw freeze coffee here for you. And then you have a good amount of storage here for draw space. So you have 6 decent sized drawers. In here we have our beverage cooler. Again, I know we get asked a lot of questions about this. This beverage cooler cools up to 41 degrees. So if you're storing like milk or breast milk or anything like that, you just want to go to the front desk, or even medication, go to the front desk, ask for an actual refrigerator so that way they can accommodate your medication. Over here there's a nice little bench for getting ready in the morning or putting your shoes on, putting luggage on, whatever you'd like to use it for. In this corner we have the new Hey Disney. And then as far as charging ports, we have 2 regular charging ports, a USB and a USB-C at the bedside table, and another drawer over there. Down below, there's definitely enough storage under these beds to store your suitcases. Absolutely ample storage down there. And then just kind of taking a look back from the bathroom view. It's really a generous size room, especially for 2 people this weekend or even a family of 4. Then heading into the bathroom area, you have sliding doors, barn doors, just to give you a look. So you have doors that go into the double vanity area. So 2 people can get ready in the morning. Nice double vanity. Over here you have kind of your closet area, extra bedding, a steamer, ironing board, hair dryer, extra amenities, a safe over here in the corner. Again, not big enough for a laptop. Well, I guess you could fit a laptop standing up. And then heading into the bathroom area, you just have your standard toilet and tub combo. And then again, you still have the Disney H2O amenities rebranded. And then over here, you have a full-length mirror for getting ready in the morning. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed this tour here of a standard room at Caribbean Beach Resort in Walt Disney World. If you would like to book Caribbean Beach Resort or any resort on Disney property, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks for watching and safe travels.